welcome back to Abeokuta TV. Today guys, I'm bringing to you is about installation of black door design. This is a combination of black combo of security and internal door design. What we use in this project is Jua, all two Jua. In the design, we have Jua LP design, and we have Jua plain black design, and we have Jua toilet door design, which is designed as a 3-panel design. So when you're planning a project like this, is a good combination of all black doors. And the best paint you can use is, if you are using a black door, that means you'll be thinking something like a lighter shade of paint, like white, off-white, to paint the living room. So this is a black combination of doors that can give your house a good finishing. So guys, I'm bringing to you Jua black door design idea. Àwọn ti bí yẹn títì, àwọn ti tọ́ ti plaster, tààrẹ ẹ̀ tó sẹ́yìn, display painting là yẹn sì máa pẹ́. Gbàdí bàbá yẹn pè mí lẹ́ẹ̀kan, wọ́n ní fídíò ẹ̀kan mò ń wò lọ́wọ́ tó ń rápù ẹ̀, bá mi rápù ẹ̀. ó kọ wọnú yìí. àwọn etí yẹn kanlẹ̀.